This is the setup I got in the rolling cart. Went through and kind of set up how I want it, really how I want it now. This is my tray here, sitting on top, metal tray for my nuts and bolts. Got my sockets and everything up top. That's what it looking like. Got my 3/8 here. Got my half-inch here. My 1/4 here. My got my couple of my power boards here. Everyday, pretty much everyday use. Got my little handheld scanner, little cheap little thing here. Just to read, have something to read in, read the codes. Got my screwdrivers, my picks on this side. Got my oil wrench here, my needle nose, and my pliers on the right side. Down in the second drawer, that's how I got it set up now with my wrenches. Copper hammers. One on my car, my attitude adjustment here. This one here I just got. My other dead blow was old, had it for a while. Finally started breaking apart, so I had to go get me another one. And my little brush here. It's seems like it's pretty good. Everything going pretty good. That's what the bottom of the cart look like. Got a few little rags. My funnel at the bottom, gloves at the bottom. Couple of things I may need in terms of topping off fluid down at the bottom as well. Guess that's about it.